Hey guys, welcome to our first episode of How to Hexbug. Today, we're going to show you how to change the batteries in your AquaBots. Let's start with the angelfish. On the bottom of the fish between the fins, loosen the screw to access the battery compartment. Exchange the batteries with the positive side facing the AquaBot's mouth. After tightening the screw back in place, your fish should work swimmingly. This process also works for the clownfish and shark. Now for the seahorse. You can locate the battery compartment underneath its back fin. Loosen the screw and replace the batteries with the positive side facing its tail. Once you've tightened the screw, your seahorse is ready to make a splash. And finally, the jellyfish. Using a tool that's included with the jellyfish, lock the two ends in place as so, and twist open the lid. This will allow you to access the battery compartment. Exchange the batteries with the positive side facing upwards. Place the battery compartment back into your fish and secure the top. Now, your jellyfish can dive deep. If you find that your jellyfish tends to hang out at the bottom of your tank or wants to float on top, we can help you with that too. Lock the same tool used for the batteries in place and twist open the lid. Within the lid are 3 weights you can add or remove to determine how deep or shallow your jellyfish swims. That's all for today. Like, subscribe, and leave your comments below letting us know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching and happy swimming!